Most of the girls that we have in our website, they want to have a serious relationship. They really want to find someone with who they feel attractive, with who they can have a beautiful, stable, and nice relationship. Okay, so Brian is saying that if it's true that a Latin woman love very hard, in other words, once you are in a relationship with a Latina woman, you can't leave. Is that true? So it's not like that. Like a lot of girls, we love very hard, that's true. But we are open in the way that we love, right? So we don't like to be the kind of possessive girl. And for example, if you have your family, if you have your life, we are the kind of person that, okay, we understand that if you have to go to other country, to other place to visit your family or to do your things, we understand that kind of situations. But I think that it's going to be very difficult for you to live once you are in love in a Colombian woman, because I think that it's going to be very difficult forget that a different kind of love, because I think that we have a different way to love. We like to show our guy that we are in love, that we appreciate to be with him. So a lot of guys, they really feel very well with that kind of behavior. Tracy is asking if the ladies are willing to build a relationship over the time. And Tracy, of course, most of the girls that we have here in our website, I don't want to say all the girls because, again, I don't like to put everybody in the same bag. But most of the girls that we have in our website, they want to have a serious relationship. They really want to find someone with who they feel attractive, with who they can build a relationship, with who they can have a beautiful, stable, and nice relationship. So of course, most of the girls, they are looking for that, and that is what we hope about you guys too. Like, we hope to have guys that are looking for a serious, stable relationship. Of course, that depends on you. You are the one that is going to decide in how everything is going to work. If you are looking for fun, if you are looking for something that is not going to be serious, you can find that here in Colombia too. But if you are looking for a serious relationship, I think that AFA is the place to find that girl for you. There are guys that is asking if we are jealous, if we don't fight, and if we rarely raise our voice. So as a Latinas, I have to tell you that we are very passionate. And as a passionate girls, sometimes we can raise our voice if we are angry. You cannot say that Colombian girls are submissive. If you're looking for submissive girls, maybe in other countries you can find that. But here in Colombia, girls, we like to take the voice, and we like to say what we want, how we want to do it. But of course, we listen to our partners. We like to listen what they have to say and look for middle points. Like, not always we want to have the right in all the conversations, but of course, if there are something that we are not agree with that, we are going to let you know. About the jealous, I think that depends more of the behavior of the men than in the behavior of the girl. If you are seeing that a girl is jealous just because, yes, for no specific reason, I have to tell you that that is like a red flag, and you have to be careful with that kind of things. But yes, as a Colombians, Latinas in general, I think that we are the kind of people that when we are angry, you are going to notice that right away. And you are going to notice that because we start to raise our voice, we start to say things that we maybe we don't want to say, but with angry, I think that everybody acts like that. But also, as the Colombians, if you are lovely, if you are patient, in a few minutes, we are going to forget everything, okay?
Join men from all over the world as they take a trip and find their future brides. Interested? Learn more at firstlatinwomen.com. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.